GeoStage is a platform for the creation of geospatial analysis applications. Here are some examples of systems built with GeoStage. HydroBlue is an artificial intelligence service which helps borehole drillers identify good locations for accessing water through boreholes. In this application, we start with a dataset containing the coordinates of about 5,000 sites known to have either good or bad boreholes. We join 14 different geocharacteristics to this dataset. This includes rainfall, vegetation cover, soil type, surface temperatures, and so on. We then train multiple machine learning models that help us predict the quality of the borehole when given the geocharacteristics. When the user enters the system, they simply drag the map to any location on the globe. This is a new location which was not in our original dataset. Notice that the coordinates change as we drag the map. We then click on Evaluate. In the background, our server looks up the geocharacteristics of this location. It then sends these values to our machine learning model. Our model can now tell us whether it's a good site for borehole drilling. The model is 80% accurate, which is more than 3 times as accurate as existing methods for finding borehole locations. That was one example of a GeoStage service. Another example is the GeoTrace service, which helps drivers improve their behavior. In this case, we can turn any device, including a cell phone, into a GeoTracer just by visiting our website. The user clicks on Track and the service starts tracking the device. Besides the usual location information, it collects information about sudden changes in speed and direction. After and even during a trip, the driver gets a review of their fuel efficiency and the safety of their driving. This is especially useful to fleets of vehicles for improving driver behavior and improving fuel efficiency. There are other applications built on GeoStage, including the AgriPlanner, which helps manage the planting and harvesting of crops, and Impact Intel for assessing the likely impact of any engineering activity at a geolocation. GeoStage makes it easy to build these applications. It supports an easy-to-use dataset manager and a machine learning model builder. Creators can produce professional user interfaces and convert their ideas into apps and whole systems. So you can work with us in different ways. First, you can simply purchase our services and use them as they are. Second, you can integrate our services into your own systems under your own branding for a seamless experience by your clients. Finally, you can create new services through our platforms to offer to both your clients and ours. Visit our website and write to us if you'd like to learn more.